Okay, folks, let's dive into the last set of questions that we have. We'll call them extra questions. So, I'm going to help us conclude or cement our discussion on programming skills. There we are on the first problem. Our interest is on the difference between abstraction and decomposition. And as we discussed earlier, abstraction simply means to hide complex components of a system, and we focus on what's really key or important or necessary. So I can write here that abstraction removes complexity and focus on essentials, whereas decomposition, it focuses on breaking a complex or large problem into smaller parts. So decomposition breaks a problem into smaller manageable components. Then next, we are interested in describing a real-life system and explain what will be removed during abstraction. So here we might be interested in a school system, well, a school management system. And talk of a school system. And what's important in this system, perhaps student info, like student ID, uh, scores or marks in assessments, attendance. Then, what's to be removed? We might remove things such as emotions, because when one is dissatisfied with a certain thing, we might not entertain that in our system, as well as handwriting. This cannot be really, really key. So that's complexity, which is unnecessary. Next, we are moving to decomposing a school management system into its subsystem. So school management system, it can consist of student records, where we have got a record of student performance. Also, we can have the attendance management, which days did you attend per term. So attendance management. Apart from that, we might also need to manage within a school system examination results. Are we going to progress or not? Examination results. Then finally, we might be interested in the financial aspect to say, as one is doing their financial contributions, what's our fee management? So it's one other area. So we have fee management. Then moving to the next one, number 4. Give 3 rules for choosing good identifiers. So identifiers, they must be generally meaningful. So one will be able to follow or read through. They must be meaningful. Why do we need meaningful identifiers? Sometimes it will be important for program maintenance or updates.